Hello dear editor friends. If you want to fade in and fade out your music video or your background music in Kinemaster project, you don't directly get any fade in and fade out option here. You gotta do it manually. So how to do this? Let's get started. First, click on your voiceover or your background music like this. Now look at the right inside tools. You'll see a volume envelope option here. Just click on it. Now keep this red particle very little at the right from the starting point. And now look at the top right corner. Here is a plus icon. So click on it. And now go to the starting point of the music like this. And now from this volume bar, decrease the number like this. And now you can see the wave here too. And this is called the fade in. Now to add the fade out, let's go to the end point. Now keep this red particle very little bit left from the ending point. Again, go to the top right corner and click on this plus icon. And now move to the ending point. And now from this volume bar, just decrease the number like this. So this is how you can do fade in and fade out in Kinemaster. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like. And if you want more of this kind of Kinemaster tutorial videos, then do subscribe to the channel right now. So see you soon in the next video with another Kinemaster tutorial. Till then, thank you, bye bye.